Guys, good morning. On the way, first stop is Castellon Tires. We gotta change out the tires. We're hitting the drag strip. We're hitting the burnout pit. I'm the king of burnouts, donuts, whatnot. You could, whatever the hell you wanna call it. I'm the king. But just to let you know, it's gonna be a fun day. Clean culture on our way. Let's get this, guys. You guys wanna hear this cold start? Guys, remember, you don't need nobody in life. All you need is a demon in you, some wings, and let's get it. Only person I literally forgot I can't live without is my camera guy. Get your ass in here. Let's roll. We gotta go home. Oh, you didn't open the door. So I don't have nut screws, so we zip tied it. It's right there. Look, you see it from right here. Bam. 35 PSI, baby. That's what I'm doing. Ooh. Party. Getting ready for the drag strip, putting on the skinnies, but this guy over there does not leave me alone. I don't know what. Can you go check what it is in my car?
You're sponsored by ticket dismissers and F your ticket.
Oh,
damn.
What? Can you check that out? Can you please go check that out? Cause I'm sponsored. You saw that? He's trying to make my sponsors get in a fist fight right now. Crazy. Just because he thinks he's Supreme Patty in a Supreme damn red car and shit. That's crazy. We got two cars that you can't do nothing on. The taxi, whatever illegal thing I do, I can't get away with it. Him, he has a red one with the Supreme all over it. That car life, baby. We ain't got another choice. We want to be unique. We want to be supreme. That's all we got to do. Keep being unique. And for my haters, keep hating. I love you. The tires.
Why are you filming me, bro? I'm waiting for like 30 minutes. People can't see that I'm tired, bro.
Guys, we had fun. Clean culture, it was the best. I'm kind of disappointed at myself for not popping the tires. I had fun. I had a blast. The crew had fun. We had a blast. Came out, ate, mingled with a bunch of people, took pictures. Today was a cool, special day for me. It's almost the end of the year, and we got to take off this wrap or we got to get rid of the parts. One of the two. So this is the last clean culture for this car. We'll see what we bring next year. But we're letting it cool down. We even turned out the taxi. We turned on the taxi light for you guys. Look at that. It's dying though. Hard to see it, but it was fun. Share, like, subscribe. I really didn't do a lot of talking because I had a bunch of people. Yeah. So I'm sorry, guys, but I hope you guys liked this video. We had a blast. Guys, don't forget to share, like, subscribe. Even if you don't like it, just share it for me. And if you really don't like it, just like it for me. Thank you guys, appreciate you.